Hello, and welcome to our short video series which covers everything you need to know about LaunchPad Online and how to use it and get the best out of it. This video will explore how to use your LaunchPad Online Dashboard. When you log into LaunchPad Online, this is the first page you will see. This is your dashboard where you can access everything that LaunchPad Online has to offer. Along the top, you can access jobs, events, companies, manage your future and the appointment modules. You can also edit your profile from here and change information like your name, course, year of graduation and search criteria. You can also change your employment status to let recruiters know if you're interested in receiving job offers. From this page, you can also access the Launchpad Blog and Manage Your Future, two great websites for information, advice and resources. Below your profile are links to news alerts, saved jobs, previous applications, events you have registered for, and your booked appointments. You can also access a rundown of upcoming events, recent released jobs, and company profiles. From the dashboard, you can access your profile, and this is where you can fill in your details. On this page, you can fill in a short description of yourself, which is great if you're interested in recruiters making you offers. You can also upload your CV, which will make it quicker and easier to apply for jobs. You also have space to host your social media, which is perfect for a LinkedIn account or professional Instagram or Facebook. At the bottom is the My Journey tab, which you can use to track your previous jobs, internships and volunteering, which is great for helping you to update your CV. Thank you for listening, and keep an eye out for our other videos covering general support in using LaunchPad Online. You can find us on YouTube at YJ Launchpad, our Launchpad blog, Spotify podcast, and our social media channels, which are updated daily with new jobs, opportunities, and events. If you have any more questions, please do email us at jobsandops@yorksj.ac.uk.